Today we're having the Smart Manufacturing Career Fair, where the students were given the opportunity to come out and network with industry professionals and discuss possibilities of hiring for open positions that these companies may have. Some of the companies that are present are Texas Instruments, Baker Ripley, Valeric USA, and quite a few others. It's important not just for the community, but for the students to bridge their knowledge in academics that they've worked very hard for to now go and actually put that to work physically. They can understand what it is to research companies, find out what might be the best fit for them, and to go and put their skills and knowledge that they have acquired through their educational journey to work. What students fail to realize, sometimes they have the misconception that career services is just fix my resume, and that's not all that we do. We sit them down, we can do a career assessment. This helps them understand more of what may be available in the industry that they're studying. For example, they might know that I want to be a CNC machinist, but do you actually know what it would take to move up from that position? And so we help them do that job and industry research so that they can understand not just about the position that they're looking into, but the salary, the education that is required for those positions, and then help with the job description that they see, that they may want to pursue, how to make that fit with their resume based on their skills.
Our relationship with our employers is invaluable because it does provide a bridge, from education to employment. And the employers already know that our students are finishing up their courses. They are gaining this knowledge to make them very trainable. Some may have previous experience and some may not, but they're willing to see what the aptitude is as they come into the company and learn the company's culture. And so it's invaluable that we have literally hundreds of employers that have partnered with HCC, of course, in different industries.
Perfect marriage is the employer who is seeking the labor that is ready to go ahead and jump right into the marketplace. We have that right here at Houston Community College. Students are being trained in that particular skill set, and they're primed and ready to go. They're ready for the employer right here in the same community that they live in.
I'm grateful for the opportunity to help the students learn more about the companies and help them to network and learn what they need to learn to bridge their academics and their job skills, and to let them know that career services is here to help you on that journey in learning more about what it is that you want to do in your life.